long time the Maverick don't see a head scratcher like this one. This accusation that unnamed Jamaican sprinters from the 2008 Beijing Olympics were retroactively found to have had low levels of the anabolic steroid clenbuterol in them system. Now let us state categorically that to date, no official positive tests have been reported on any Jamaican sprinter relating to the story. And that is what it is, a story based on an anonymous source claiming that the IOC and WADA are covering up positive clenbuterol tests involving some Jamaican sprinters. Now, having watched the story myself, it was very biased. It was all about Jamaica and our sprinters and our success and our drug testing programs, despite these 2008 clenbuterol positive tests involved several athletes from several countries across several sports. Despite all of that, the story was all about casting aspersions over the credibility of Jamaica's sprinting success. The IOC and WADA, of course, said clenbuterol is widely ingested by the eating of meat and that the levels in the 2008 samples were consistent with the meat-transmitted levels. But again, me have to scratch my head because clenbuterol is not a threshold drug, meaning that any amount of it in your system supposed to come up as a positive test. And the IOC and WADA said there were no positive tests. But guess what? The samples are now 9 years old and them cannot test the Chinese meat from 2008 again. So the case dead. But one lesson to be learned from this story is that people out there still a bad man Jamaica for his sprinting success. So athletes, watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step.